This is the second day of me wearing this makeup. You want to know what happened and why I was wearing this makeup till the second day? I'm going to tell you, but before then, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop a comment for me. So today we are going to be doing 2 lip combos for this look, because the first lip combo I did, I've washed it out. I did it yesterday. This one is the one I'm doing today, because I did this makeup yesterday and I was going for 2 looks, because the first look is a soft look, and that's because I was going to do a brand video. Yes, I was meant to do a brand video for a particular brand. And then the second look is a Halloween look. Yeah, but something happened on immediately I finished doing the makeup. Something happened. So I couldn't do it yesterday. I had to do it today. And even today that I was still doing it, I had issues. So I'm going to explain to you what happened, and well, I guess it was solved. So immediately I finished doing this makeup, they took light. Yeah, they took light. I had to wait. And normally if they take light here, it takes a few minutes and the light will be back. But guess what this time around? Well, it came back, but then again, it started raining. And you know what happens when it starts raining? It started raining and they took the light. It rained for hours till midnight. I think it should be around 12 in the night. They now brought back the light. And guess what? They took it again. But guess what happened? Guess what happened this time around? My light finished. I had to start running around on how to buy the light. I went to my neighbor and it was still drizzling outside. I went to my neighbor downstairs. But guess what? It wasn't connecting. They were telling me error. Like I could not buy the light. Error. And it was around 1. I had to come back house and then kept trying and trying and trying and trying. Around 3 in the morning, I was still trying. I gave up. I had to sleep with the makeup because, come on, what do you mean? I will come and clean the makeup that I finished doing. And it was immediately I finished doing the makeup that they took the light. So no, I could not clean it. I had to sleep with the makeup. Then guess what, guys? I slept with the makeup. Then I woke up around 10 in the morning. I went out again because my own is having issues. I need to plug it in my neighbor's house for it to kind of like connect. I don't know why my own meter is having issues. So you guys, I went back to my neighbor's house, and let me tell you, for 3 hours, I tried that for 3 hours and it didn't work. I kept trying and trying and trying and trying for this meter to work. And these people, it kept on giving me error. Like we were trying to recharge it, even from different websites. It kept on giving me error, you guys. So then what else can I do? I kept on waiting. It was around 12:01 in the afternoon. It worked. I came back home and guess what, guys? I was so stressed and hungry. Guys. I had I just slept off. Immediately I came back home, I slept off because I was hungry. I was now waiting for my sister to get me some food. She get me food again, and guess what, guys? I slept off again. I woke up in the evening and then I started working on this makeup. I had to start doing a lot of touch-ups with powder and setting powder. So after I was done with that, that's where I now got this look. I started doing this lip combo. Yeah. So I decided to do the lip combo and do the brand video because the brand kept on asking me, sending me messages for their video. So I had to do a very simple look. The first look that I did, I wanted to go with it, but I'm like, no, I'm wearing pink. Let me just do something, a shade that is just like the top I was wearing. So I decided to do just a little bit of pink. That's why I went for this second lipstick, and that's what I did. I used in doing the brand video. Yeah, what do you think? Which one do you prefer, this one or the first one? So you guys, I used this one to do the brand video. Yeah, and it went well. So guys, this was what I passed through. And yeah, my makeup was good. It didn't spot. So this is a 2 days makeup. The makeup you are seeing on my face is 2 days makeup. So you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Tell me what you think about this makeup, this 2 days makeup on my face in my comment section. Bye.